Hey guys, Dan here from VHIX411. Today I have a BMW 3 Series, the E-Class FRM module, also known as light control module. I will show you how the repair of it is done. Most of the time when you have your lights not working, one headlight might not work or the other, or turn signal or dome lights, whatever the issue is, most of the time all it is just a software problem. It could happen if you were reflashing or your battery just died and it just went bad on you. So I will show you how the repair process is done, and I will be using the hex probes for this, and we will start doing it. Now, if you need this service done, you don't have a programmer or the skills of using one programmer, link at the bottom of the video or at the end of the video. If it is your first time here, like, subscribe, and share. All right, I will start with on bench programmer BMW FRM. This is a 3 Series E-Class or E-Series, and I will go to wiring. It will give us a directions of how to solder which area. This is the area right here we will be working on. So I'll swap it around. This is where we will be soldering our contacts. 2, we will follow the instructions on the screen. So we got 1, 2, 3. Then the list goes like this. So this will be my black. Let me kind of zoom in. This is where my black gonna be. This is where my blue is gonna be. Yellow, and of course red. So these are just pins confirming it with the screen. I already have my solder nice and hot. That way we're not wasting time taking things apart and warming things up. So this will be my red. This will be my yellow. Skip 2. This will be my black and my blue. Always confirm, make sure you have good connections. We don't want to burn anything, burn the computer or anything like that. So I'm using a hex probe, too many programmers here. Hex probe connector. I will solder just like it's according to the screen. Now ground wire, which is black wire, on any programmer, if you're trying to connect it, a lot of times it's pretty hard, so the solder iron has to be really hot for it to melt it through, because it doesn't always want to melt it right away. All right, confirming everything matches my screen. I will hook up my hex probe, and my hex probe is connected to the power supply. We got the power supply, it's connected to the laptop. Okay, it's connected to the laptop, and we're gonna hit, let's see, my hex probe, EE flash, and I will try to read it. I always like to save the original files. As you can see, we can't read the EE. Okay, I will read the P flash, and it's reading the P flash. All right, 98, 100%. We read the file. I will save this file. I always want to save the original one. I'll just put it on my desktop, and I will put the P flash FRM original, just in case, and we will hit repair. What I like about hex probe, it has one button where you can push repair, and obviously it says corrupt FRM EEPROM data. We'll try to recover it, all right, from the D flash. All right, let's hit repair. And it is FRM data has been repaired. Say automatically repaired. We can see the VIN number now. I mean, you can hit repair again, but it's gonna show you the same pop-up screen after it's done. So repaired, completed. As you can see, FRM EEPROM has been repaired. So that's how the repair is done. All it is just a software issue. And with the Hex Pro, it makes it really easy. You can just push repair and done. If you're reading the P flash with a different programmer and you read it, then you gotta have the different software to repair it, then load it back up. Hex Pro makes it easy. All right, if you need the service at the end of the video or bottom, otherwise like, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching. We will see you in the next video.